Today we are discussing RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims Numerical Ability Grand Test 54. We'll move for the questions. So we have a first one, directions 41 to 45. We have a questions based on the bar graph. So the given bar graph shows the number of boys, girls from different colleges. There is a given a number of boys and girls. Boys is belongs to red color, yellow color is belongs to girls. We'll go for the direct question. An hostel fee of girl is 10,000 rupees. The hostel fee of girls is 10,000 rupees. So girls value is 10,000 rupees, boys value is 12,000 rupees. Then find the total hostel fee of both boy and girl in a college A. So it is 2 into 12,000 and it is 160 into 10,000. So 160 plus 12 to the 240, 240 plus 160, 240 plus 160, 240 plus 160, 40 lakhs. Then option is what? C here. Move for the next one. What is the average number of students from B, C, D, E, and F together? So how many colleges are there? 5 colleges are there. For the 5 colleges, we should apply that B, C, D, E. 210 plus 240, which is 450, plus C value 280, plus D value 560, plus E value 480, plus F value 240. Sum of the all the numbers and we can divide it here. So 400 plus 200, 600, 600 plus 500, 1100, 1100 plus 400 plus 200, 1700. So hold with 1700. And next 50 plus 80, it is a 130, 130 plus 60, it is a 190, 190 plus 80, 270, 270 plus 40, 310. 310 plus 1700, which is equal to 2010 by 5, and which is divisible by 5, 4, 5 fours and 5 twos. Then our answer is 402. Option is what? C here. We have a question 43. The number of girls from B and E together, B and E together is approximately what percentage of the number of boys from B and E together? So we need girls B and E together. Girls B and E value is 240 plus 180, which is equal to 420. 420 is what percentage of number of boys from B and E together? Boys, here the 210. So next E value is 300, which is equal to 510. And we need percentage multiply with 100. 0, 0 cancel. 3 17s are and 3 here 14s are. And 17 to 100, how many times? 17 5s are 85, remaining value 15. And 17, how many times approximately will go? It is a 8 times. 5.8. 5.8 is multiplying to 14. 14 5s are 70. 14 8s are 112. 11 is added to 80, which is equal to 81.2 percentage will get. Then approximately 81.2 percentage means it is equal to how much percentage? 82 percentage will get an answer as. So next, in college G, number of boys is 20 percentage more than the number of boys in college A. College A is 200. In this 20 percentage more means, so 10% is 20, which is equal to 240. This value is 240. And G boys value is 240. And number of girls is 25 percentage less than the number of colleges F. Girls is 100. 25 percentage less means which is equal to 75. Then what is the total number of students in college? G. 240 plus 60, which is 300, 315. Our option is what? C. Next, what is the ratio of the average of the boys from ABF together to the average of number of girls from CDE together? What is the ratio of average of boys ABF? ABF. ABF boys we required 200, 210, 410, 410 plus 150, 550. Ratio 2. The average of number of girls from CDE. Girls from CDE here 140 plus 260, 400, 580. By 3 cancel. 0, 0 cancel. 55 is to 58. Our option is C. Next, we have a directions based on the wrong number series. So which is the wrong number? We have to find it as it is answer. So look at 11 became a 15. How much added? 4 added. And 15 became a 24. 9 added. 24 became a 40. 16 added. Here the 25 added. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. As the observe, here the 6 square we are writing, and 65 plus 36 it is not equal to 100. Then our wrong number is 100 in the series. Our option is D. And next, 18 became a 36, which is multiplied to, here is multiplied to into 2.5. Here the multiply of into 3. 9 3 is a 270. It is not 270, it is equal to 264. Our wrong number is 264. And coming to the next, 9 became a 15, 6 added, 15 became a 36, how much added? It is a 21 added. And 36 became a 71, how much added? 40, 40 added, na, it is a 76, but it is added 35. And next it is added 49. And next it is added here the 63. Here 7 9 ja, 7 7 ja, 7 5 ja, 7 3 ja. It should be 7 into 1. Here the 7 is required. 50 plus 7. 50 plus 7 which is equal to 22. It is not. Here the 9. Our wrong number is what? E. 9. Next. Question number 49. We'll go with the difference. Here the 1 added. Here the 3 added. Here is how much added? 28. And here added 16. And here added how much? 125. And look at the logic here, which is 5 cube, which is 4 square. It should be 3 cube, it should be 2 square, it should be 1 cube. 2 square is equal to 4. 4 is added now, which is not 17, which is 18. So 3 cube 27, 18 plus 27 45. It's clear. Then our wrong number is what is the number? 17. Next 4 3 4 8 32 in 155. Here so 4 became a 3 into 1 minus 1. Here into 2 minus 2. Here into 3 minus 3. 4 into 3 12, 12 minus 3 9. It is not 8. So 9 4s are 36, 36 minus 4 32. It's a clear. Then our wrong number is 8. Option is D. Next, we have a simplification approximation based. 16.98 percentage we can write 17 percentage of 18.09 square we can write 324 plus 76. 76 plus 324 400. 400 percentage wise 2 zeros cancel, 417 is 68. Our option is A. Next 71.95 72 into 68 plus 36 into 94 we can write 37 into 33. We should solve this question. Here we can write 70 plus 2, 70 square minus 2 square we can write these two. 70 plus 2, 70 minus 2. 70 square value 4900. From 4900 2 square value 4 will be removed. 4896 plus here 37 into 33. 37 into 33 will 3 will be multiplied. 37 3s are 37 ja 90, 3 7 ja here the 21. 21 plus 9, 37 3s are it is a triple 1. Okay, triple 1 into 11. 3 is I am multiplying here. So 33 is a 90, 3 7 are 21. 21 is added to 90, it is a triple 1. Triple 1 into 11. Here is 1, 2 and here the 2 and 1. It is a 1 2 2 1. Here the 1 2 2 1 added to 4896. That is our answer. So 1 plus 6 7, 2 plus 9 it is a here 11, here 1 and 6. 6117. Our option is what? B here. Next 15.94 we can write 16. 2025 this is we can write 45 plus 45 plus 20 which is equal to x into 20. And if you want to cancel the numbers. 4 5s are 4 5s are 4 4s are. Okay, so 45 4s are 45 double 90, 90 double is 180, 185, 185 again cancel with so 5. So 5, so 3s are 15, 5 7s are. Our option is what? 37. Option is E. Next, root of 169 is equal to 13 and 9 plus 196 we can write 14 and 6 by 9 square, 9 square value is 49. From 49 9 will be removing, we will get a result is so 40 and 30 plus 14 which is 27, 40 plus 27 which is equal to 67. Our option is A. Next 269 point we can write 270 by 4 plus 120 percentage of 120 percentage of 120 plus 6. 12 12s are 144 plus 6 and 4 is going to cancel. 4 how many times? 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24, remaining is 30, 4 7 are. Almost we will get a 67. Here 150, 150 adding to 67 we will get 197. Option is C. Next we have a data. Based on this data we have to calculate a question. So read the information carefully and answer the following questions. So the line graph given below shows the percentage of milk with respect to water in a mixture. There are 5 mixtures of milk and water A, B, C, D and E. So we have a table, and this table and this graph. So based on this we have to calculate, find the ratio of milk A and water D in the respective. What is the percentage is given? The line given the below shows the percentage of milk with respect to mixture. This is a milk percentage. 400 percentage milk means up to 100 percentage of water. Overall 500% is a mixture. 250 percentage is the milk and 100% is the water. And this is the only milk value. And here the difference between milk and water in the liters 2100. For example, A 400 percentage milk, 100 percentage water. Difference is 300 percentage. The 300 percentage is equal to 2100. If you want to calculate total mixture 500 percentage, we should calculate for A mixture. Okay. Now go for the question. Find the ratio of milk and A and water being is respectively. Ratio is required. A value. A value is how much? 2100. A value is milk is 400 percentage. How much percentage? 400 percentage. This is equal to 300 percentage. 300 percentage, which is equal to 300 percentage. 300 percentage is equal to 2100, which is multiplied to 7. 7 4 which is equal to 2800. This is the milk of A. And D water is required. So D value 2800. D is how much? 450. It is 450. Water is 100 percentage. Difference is how much percentage? 350 percentage. 350 percentage. 350 percentage is equal to 8800. 350 percentage is equal. 350 percentage is equal to 2800. Either multiply with 14 also. So, but we need water. Water is how much percentage? 100 percentage. And cancel the values to getting an answer. So here, then 0000 cancel. Here the 00 cancel. 5 2s are 5 7s are. Then final ratio is 7:2. Our option is what? B is our answer. Next, find the ratio of total quantity of mixture E and mixture B respectively. E value is required. E value is how much? They are given 1500, which is equal to 500 percentage. We need 700 percentage. 5 to 1500 3 times 3 7 are 2100. And next, here we require the B also. B value is equal to 150 percentage. 250 and 100 is water. 100 to 150, 150 percentage. It is how many times? 12 times. So 12 350 is 12 350 means 4200. Okay. So here, then cancel the numbers. 0000 cancel. So these both are cancelled with 7 7 3s are and 7 6 are, and 21 to 42 it is equal to 1:2. Basically here, then our answer is none of this. Next question is, here if the milk per liter sale is 10 rupees and water is 2 rupees liter, find the total revenue of generated from the mixture C and A together. Mixture value is required. Total mixture value. So 2500. This 2500 is belongs to here the C. C is milk is 350 percentage, water is 100 percentage. Difference is 250 percentage. 250 percentage is equal 2500. 250 percentage is equal 2500. Milk is 3500 in C. So it's a milk is 3500. Then next water is required. Here the water is so 100 percentage, which is 1000. Okay, water is 1000, milk is 3500, and we need water also for the A. A water is 100 percentage, 400 percentage, which is equal to 300 percentage, which is equal to multiply to 7. 7 4 is 2800. This is a milk, and 700. This is a water. It is a 1700, and it is a 6300. And here is multiply with 10, and here is multiply 2. Water value is 2 rupees and milk value is 10 rupees. 6363,000 plus 3400, which is equal to 66400. 66400 means option is what? B option. Next, find the average of quantity water in all mixture. All mixtures water is required. Look at here the 400 percentage, which is equal to 300 percentage. 300 percentage is equal to 2100. 100 percentage is equal to how many liters? 700. And next, here the B value 250 and which is equal to 150 percentage. 150 percentage equal 1800, and which is multiplied to 12 here. Then 100 percentage is equal to how many liters? 1200. And next here the C value 352, here difference is 250 percentage, and 100 percentage means 1000 liters. And next D is 450 to 350, it is a 350 difference, 100 difference is 350. 350 percent is equal to 2800. So 5 7 5 are 7 4 are 50 percent is equal to 400 liter, means 100 percent is equal to how many liters? 800 liters. Plus next E value is equal to 600, it is equal to 500 percentage. 500 percentage is equal to into 3, here is also 100 percentage into 3, it is equal to how many liters? 300. So by 5, and we should divide with 5 here. 700 plus 300 1000, 1200 plus 800 2000, 2000 1000 1000, it is a 4000. 4000 by 5, which is equal to 800. Water average is how many liters? 800 liters. Our option is C. Next, find the amount of water in mixture D is. Find the amount of water in mixture D. Mixture D value is how many liters? 800. Previous question we declared 800 is how much more or less than amount of milk in a mixture C. Milk in a mixture C. Mixture C is how much percentage? 250 percentage is equal to 2500. Mixture milk is 3500. Of course it is a less. How much less? So 2700 less. 2700 less comparing to 3500. We need percentage multiply with a 100. Double 0 cancel. 5 sevens are and 5 20s are. And here so 27 into 20 by 7. We need approximately. Here is how to calculate. So 7 3s are 27 3s are is equal to 81, but they are given here. So 27 2s are 540. 540 is divisible by 7. 7 7s are 49. Remaining is 50. Again 7 7s are. That means 77 point something is required. So here the less or more, less value. Only 77.14% is less. The option is what? D option. Option D. Next, we have a quantity based questions. So a copper wire is bent in a form of an equilateral triangle, an area 121 root 3. Equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 a square, which is equal to 121 root 3. Root 3 cancel, and a square is equal to 11 into 2, a is equal to what? 22. The same wire is bent in a circle, the area of enclosed area is what? So circle value is area of triangle is root 3 by 5 square, and perimeter of triangle means 3a, 3 into 22, which is equal to area of perimeter of circle 2 into 22 by 7 into r, 2 pi r. So cancel the numbers here. 22 cancel, and 7 3s are 21 by 2, which is equal to 10.5. Quantity 1 radius value is 10.5. They want to calculate enclosed area also. Later we'll coming to the area. Coming to the quantity 2 here. So area of rectangle is 528. Area of rectangle 528. Rectangle formula is L into B. Then 2 centimeter less than the length. 2 centimeter length. So 529. 23 square is 529. That means here is what we can write, 24, and it is 22. 23 square is 529. 23 plus 1, 23 minus 1. Then 24 into 22 is equal to 528. Here difference is what? 2 as per the question here. 2 centimeter less. Find the area of circle whose radius is 50% of the breadth. Breadth is how much? 22. Then radius is become what? 11. If it is radius is more, compulsory you will get area is more. If radius is less, we will get a area is also less. Okay. Radius is less, we will get a area is also. It is a radius is 10.5. That is the radius is 11. That means quantity 2 is bigger than the quantity 1. Then option is B is a correct answer for this question. Next, article A is marked up by 80% cost price, and sell here sell after a discount of 20%, find profit percentage. So marked up by 180 and sell 20% discounted. Cost price is 100, 180, 20% discount means it is a 18 to the, it is a sold price is 144. How much percentage profit? 44% profit. And next, article B is marked up by 160. Yes, cash price is 100 above the cost and sold after a discount of 10%. 10% removing, it is equal to 144. Find profit percentage, here is also 44. 44, 44 both are equal. Option E. Next, A can do 37.5% of a job in 36 days. 37% means 3 by 8. 3 by 8. 3 to 36, 12 times 12 8 is 96. That means A completed total working days is what? 96. While B can do 50% of job in 24 days. B 24 days full job means half job means then full job is how many days? 48. Find the time taken to complete the A and B together. A and B together means how you write? 96 into 48 by 96 plus 48. Yes, so 48 cancel, 48 2s are 48 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 3 is cancel. It is a how many days? 32 days. That is the first quantity 1. And coming to the quantity 2, ratio of profit share A and B is 2 is to 3 and B and C is 6 is to 5. This is we can write 4 is to 6 is to 5 directly. This is a we can change 4 is to 6. So respectively, if total profit of all together is 120 rupees, find the share of B. B value is what? 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 to 120, how many times? 8 times. 8 6 are 48. 48 is bigger than the 32. Quantity 1 answer is 32. Quantity 2 answer is 48. 48 is bigger than the 32 means then our option is what? B option. Next, quantity 1, a bag there are total 15 balls, red, black, white. Red, black, white. Total balls is equal to how many balls? 15 balls. Red, black, white. Red color balls are 2 less than the black. Red color balls are 2 less than the black. And black balls are 5 less than the white. 5 less than the white. So black color is 5 less than the white. Here the white I am as it is writing white and red color balls is so 2 less than the black and black is less than the white is a 5. 5 plus 2 overall is how many balls? 7 balls. W minus 7 and W minus 2. The black balls how many less? Red color balls is 5. It is a 5. Which is equal to 15. So here minus 7 and minus 5 it is W. W plus W. This I am converting into all arena white balls. So W, 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 3W, minus 7, minus 5, minus 12, minus 12 is added to 15 to the 27. 3W is equal to 27 means W is equal to what is the value? 9. W is equal to 90 means red balls are how many balls? 2 balls and black balls are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 9, 15 total. Now it is a, we know the count of the total balls. The question is what here? Find the probability of 2 white balls from the bag. So total 15 balls are there. Out of 2 balls are required. The ball should be is white balls. White balls are how many? 9 C2. This is we are cancelling. 9 into 8 by 15 into 14. Try to cancel the numbers here. 3. So 5 are and 3 3s are. 2 4s are 2 7s are. Here 7 5s are 35. 4 3s are 12. But here the quantity 2 they are given 140 in denominator. Here is also multiply with 4 numerator and denominator 4 and 4 12 4s are 48. 48 by 140. When the denominators are same numerator easily comparing 48 and 144 then 44 is smaller and 48 is bigger then quantity 1 is bigger than the quantity 2. Option A. And coming to the next 65th. What is the cost price of article if Sonu mark of the article is 40% above its CP and it is cost market price is 140. Sonu gave 20% discount market price and earn 24 rupees is a profit. Coming to the quantity 1, it is a market price is 140 and giving a discount 20% means so 28 rupees is discounted. The product is sold out for what? 112. Then cost price is 100. Here the 12 rupees profit. 12 rupees is profit, which is equal 24. Then 100 is equal 12 double. It is a 200. So 12 double 24 means 100 double value is 200. Quantity cost price is quantity 1 cost price is 200. And as it is quantity 2, if Sonu gives 2 successive discount 10%. Now it is quantity 2. Here market price is 140. Successive discount wise 14 rupees is discounted 10%. That means it is equal to 196. Again it is a 10%. 12.6 is removing. 12.6 is removing. Look at 10 is removing. It is a 116. 2 is removing 114. Then again it is a 113.4. 113.4. Basically cost price is 100 rupees. 100 rupees became a 113.4 rupees means How much rupees extra? 13.4 rupees extra. Then 13.4 is equal to 26.8. It is a double. Then cash price is already we known 100. 100 into 2 is equal to 200. Here is 200. Here is also 200. That means quantity 1 cash price is 200. Quantity 2 also cash price is 200. So this both are equal. Option is what? E. Next, we have a directions based on the quadratic equations. We have such a bigger numbers. How to calculate? Look at minus plus is always giving the positive numbers. So 7 not 2. First of all, I am separating with 2. So 2 separated now, which is equal to 351. Okay, 350 double is 701. Here 351 we should separate with. So here the table is 3 ones are and 3 117, and here 13 nines are 117. Then final factors we have to write it. The final factors are, look at 13 twos are 13 twos are value is 26, 9 threes are 27, 26 plus 27 which is equal to 53. This is the way we can merge it. And next 864. In 864 we should separate with 4 now. 4 twos are 4 16s are. So 16 fours are 64, 4 twos are 8. And 216 also we can write now 6 cube. The 6 cube we can write 2 into 3 and 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Finally, I am writing all the prime numbers now. So how to merge it is, okay, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 fours are 32, then 3 here. So 3 and 3, 3. All odd numbers are multiplied, you will get 27. And 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 fours are 32. Here final factors are 32 comma 27. 32 plus 27 is equal to 59. And minus plus is always giving the positive value. And look at 27 equal and 32 is bigger. Comparing to 26, 32 27 is also bigger. Then y is greater than 2x, then x less than or equal to y. Our option is what? D here. Next, x square is equal to 89, x is equal to plus 17 comma minus 17. Y square minus 31 and 238. Here is how to write. Here 238. So 2 separate it, you will get 2 ones and 2 19, and we can write 17 sevens 7 twos 14. What was the factors you will get? 14 comma 17. 14 comma 17 here. 7 twos 14. 14 plus 17 is equal to 31. Now comparing the values here, what was the factors are there? Compare it. Here 17 to 17 equal, and 17 to 14 which is equal, 17 is a bigger, but minus 17 to 14, 14 is a bigger. 1 less than 1 greater than means relation is what? No relation. Next, x minus 10 square is equal 36. Square will be applied, you will get minus 6 plus 6, and minus 10 will be coming to here, minus 6 plus 10 which is equal to 4 plus 10, it is becoming 16. And as it is here also, 2 will be applied, you will get minus 4 comma plus 4. 11 will be coming, 11 minus 4 is equal to 7, and 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Now compare it here. So 16 to 15, 16 is bigger, 4 to 7, 7 is bigger. 1 less than 1 greater than means our relation is what? Cannot be determined for this question. Next, x square plus 2x minus 35 is equal 0. Here, what was the factors here? Minus 35. Minus 35 we can write here 5 sevens are. Okay. So 5 comma 7. 5 sevens are 35. 5 to 7 difference is 2. So here what was the factors will be get? Here plus 5 and minus 7. Plus 5 minus 7, these are final factors. And 99, both the factors are will get negative. Here 11 9 ja. 11 9 ja is a factors. And comparing the results here. So minus 7 to minus 9, minus 7 is bigger and minus 7 is bigger. Comparing to positive, negative values are always smaller. Then x greater than y. Our option is A. Next, x square plus 14x plus 45 is equal 0. Here the factors are 9 comma 5 and both are negative. Plus plus is always giving, both are negative. And minus minus is giving plus minus. What was the plus minus factors are there? 6 comma 5. 6 5 is 30, 6 minus 5 is 1. Here the minus 6 plus 5 will apply, we will get minus 1. Here we will apply minus 6. Here the reverse concept we can apply, plus comma minus 5. Now comparing the factors here. So minus 2, here the plus, here the less than, and here is also here less than, here less, and here is also equal. Less than equal means x less than or equal to y. Our option is what? D. Next, find the compound interest 11,000 rupees, 20% per annum for 1 year when the interest compounded half yearly. 20 percentage became a 10 percentage. 10 percentage means you can write 21 percentage, 2 half years for 1 year. 21 percentage of 11,000. 11 21s are 231. Which option is contained 231? That is our answer. Option A. Next, 120 liter mixture having a milk and water in the ratio 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. And if k liters of mixture removed and then replaced by same quantity of water, the milk and water becomes equal. Equal means what we can write? 1 and 1. Equal means 1 and 1. But we are adding replaced with same quantity of water. We are adding water, not milk. That means milk should be same. Here is 3 parts. Here is also 3 parts equally. And milk should be same. And 2 became a 3 means how many parts are added? 1 part. Here 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 parts. 6 parts is equal to 120 liters. Initially how many liters? 120 liters. Whatever the quantity removing, same quantity we are adding. ఏదైతే రిమూవ్ చేస్తున్నామో అంతే యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో 6 parts is equal to 120 liters అయితే 1 part కి ఎన్ని liters అవుతుంది? 20 liters. That means extra k is equal to how many liters we are added? 20 liters. Option is B. Next, question number 73. ABC starting a business with initial investment 10500, here 14000 and 19250. So we'll take the values here 10500 and 14000 and 19250 and cancel 000 cancel and cancel with 5. Here 5 2s are 510 and again cancel with 5. 5 2s are 80 and next 5 3s are 15. Remaining value 42, 5 8 and 5 5 again cancel with 5. 5 4 and 5 2 and 5. Here the 5 5 25, 5 6 and 5 7 5 7. This again cancel with 7. 7 6 and 7 8 and 7 11. This is the final ratio 6 is to 8 is to 11. And coming to the question, total profit is for example 100. In this 25% is gone to charity and 25 rupees gone to C for managing a business and remaining is how much rupees? 50. This 50 is shared to whom? All the members. Okay, so find amount given to charity. Find amount given to charity. How much rupees is given by charity? But C value is clearly mentioned. C value is how much here? So 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 11 25. 25 parts which is equal to 25 parts, which is equal to 25 parts. 25 parts is equal to 50 rupees and 11 parts is equal to 22. 22 plus 25. He will get 47 parts. He will get how many parts? 47 parts. 47 parts. But charity's money is how many parts? 25 parts. 25 by 47 into 8930. Okay. 47 2 is not possible. 47 1 47 1 47. Remaining value is 423. Remaining value is 423. This 423 is cancelled with here 9 times and 0. 190 into 25. 19 25 10 ja 250, but it is equal to here 25 10 ja 250, 25 9 ja it is a 225, which is equal to 4750. 4750. Then our option is what? D option. Next, question number 74. A boat takes 16 hours less comparing to up and down. Up and down. Up is 240 kilometers, down is 240 kilometers, and minus and minus. And here the difference is here the plus. Here the boat speed is we don't know, and current speed we know it is a 10, and boat speed is we don't know, current speed we know here. So go for the options. 24 substituted, if it is a 14 you will get 14 is not dividing to 240, and 28 substituted you will get 38 here, 38 is not dividing to 240. 16 is substituted, 26 is not dividing, and go for the 20. 20 minus 10 10, it is a 240 by 10 you will get 24 minus 20. 20 plus 10 30, 240 by 30 it is 8. 24 minus 8 is equal 16. That means which is the option is clearly giving a LHS is equal to RHS. That is our answer. Our option is 20 here. Next, A and B can complete a job in 16 days. A and B start the job together, but after 8 days, efficiency of B is reduced 25%. So the work will be finished in 2 days. 2 days more than stipulated time. Find A is how much percentage more efficient than B. So what is the value you should consider? A plus B completed a work in 16 days. But A plus, here the 25% less means we can write 0.75. That is also we can write 3 by 4, which is completed in how many days? 2 days more. 16 days became a how many days? 18 days. 16 days became a how many days? 18 days. Which you are calculating, you will get A is equal to 1.25 B. If you are calculated, you will get A is equal to 1.25. A is equal to 1.25 means we can write 125 by 100. That is equal to 125 percentage. That means A is equal to B by how much percentage extra? 25 percentage extra. Then efficiency of A is comparing to B how much percentage extra? 25 percentage. Next, the ratio between a two digit and the number formed by reversing the digits is 4:7 respectively if the difference between the digits is 4. So difference between the digits is 4 is required. Here and here it is wrong, difference between 4, and the ratio between the two digits and the number formed by the reversing the digit is 4:7. So then 84, 48. 48 is not divisible by 7, but 48 is divisible by 4, 84 is divisible by 7. That means which option is right? B option is right. Next, average weight of a boys is 56 and girls is 42 and total weight age is 46, and take a difference, it is a 10 and it is a 4, and here difference is how many parts? 6 parts. 6 parts is equal to how many less? 12 less. 6 parts is equal to 12 less. 14 parts is equal to how much? 6 double 12, 14 double is 28. Then 28 is A. Total school value is 4 plus 10. It is a 14 parts. 14 parts is equal to 28. Option A. Next, 7 years 9 months. 7 years 9 months ago, Himanshu and Arun ratio is 7:4. 7:4 means how many parts? 3 parts. 3 parts is equal to how many years? 9 years. 3 parts is equal to 9 years means 3 3s are here the 12 and here is, so 7 3s are 21. This is how many years ago? 7 years 9 months. But they are asking after 4 years 3 months. After 4 years 3 months. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 11, 11 years we should add it. 11, and here 9 plus 3, 12 months. 12 months means again it is a, so 1 year. 1 year plus 12, 11, it is a 12 years. Totally we are adding 12 years. What was the answer you will get? Here the 33 and here is 24, and 33 and 24 both are cancelled with 3. Here 3 11s and 3 8s. But our answer is we not require 11:8 because they are asking the answer is Arun to Himanshu. We are taking a Himanshu to Arun. Then final answer is 8:11. Our option is A. A man invested 7,700 each of two different schemes. Scheme X offering compound interest 20% per annum 2 years. Y offering 12% per annum 2 years. Find the sum interest generated in two schemes. So 20% 2 means 44% per compound interest. 12 2s are 24%. 24 plus 44, 68% of 7,700. And look at 6 8 ja, 8 7 ja, 8 7 ja, 56. That means last digit should be 6. Only one option is contained, last digit is 6. That is answer is what? E. Next, monthly fees of a student in school is 1200 rupees. If the fees per student becomes 900 rupees and total revenue of school is increased by 20% and percentage of increase. Look at 100 members, 1200, which is equal to 1200 and 0, 1,20,000. Now, so it is increased by 20%. That means 1,44,000. Now here the fee is 900 only, but how many number of students are there? 9 became a 144 means how many students? 160. 100 became a 160 means the student is, school of the students is how much percentage increase? 60% is increase.